Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. I've got here the DJI Neo, which just came out a couple of days ago. Little handy selfie drone that doesn't require controller. So I got the one that didn't come with the combo, which came with the controller and battery. So my main purpose for this would be one of those quick, I want a selfie with a drone without having to fumble for all the wires and controllers. And this is it. 1.35 grams, has palm takeoff and landing, tracking, and everything I would want from a selfie drone. So very excited for this. Box is very small. Let's open this up. So yeah, I've already got a DJI drone, the mini, the original one. Used it a couple of times overseas. I've even lost it and found it again. I've also broken the controller for that one and replaced it with someone's secondhand controller and still works. I'm excited for this one because it's so compact and small. I can put it in my Bellroy sling on the go and just release it. Press one of the buttons, it will fly, track me, take a video, and come back to me. And that's all I want, you know, it's just for socials, for the content. And so here it is. Look at it, palm sized. Very small, very light. I like that the propellers are all guarded, so you know if it bumped into something, it should be fine. I know it doesn't have any kind of sensors to detect obstacles, but that's okay. It's very light. If it does fall, it will just kind of bounce off whatever it hits and land wherever, and I can pick it up, and it doesn't go too far, and I'm fine with that. The cool thing about this is it's 4K, and also it basically is just touch and go, you know, turn it on, press the button, let it fly, and it'll come back to you. And that's all I want. So we'll be using this in my upcoming travel in Thailand. I'm not too sure if I can use this in Singapore. Don't really want to test my luck here. And the cool thing about it is that it is compatible with a bunch of different controllers. Firstly, the mobile controller, and one of the, I think it's the DJI RC N3 controller. I don't have that, but in the future I might want to get that. And lastly, it's a great way to get into FPV drones. So you can actually use this with that joystick thing and the goggles. So really keen for that. Other aspect of this is it does 4K, 30 FPS, which is just what I need for some B-rolls and pan shots of myself and my family in the different locations that I would want to kind of take selfies with. So really keen to add this to my arsenal. Right now my travel gear for photography and videos is my Ricoh GR3X, my Osmo Pocket 3. I've also got now the Insta360 Go 3S and my trusty GoPro 11. And yeah, so this should be another thing I can add to the things I need to edit that I'm always too lazy to edit. So I'll test this out later. I might upload some videos from it. But yeah, really excited to get my hands on this. And yeah, thanks for checking it out. This is what comes in the box. Stickers, instruction manual, and I'm guessing the charging cable. This is not the charging cable, these are propellers. How do you charge this? There's the charging cable and a little screwdriver for little things that you need to do, and that's about it. And that's the DJI Neo. Really excited for this. We'll share some videos once I start using it. Thanks everyone. If you have any comments, feedback, your thoughts on this drone, or any other recommendations, please write them in the comment. Thanks everyone.